Portland Bakers! And
Hey.
did we do some picking today?
Have you ever?
Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You all just missed an extravagant burp. It was delightful and luscious.
So it is Sunday morning and we are
Driving like maniacs.
estate sailing before we go on vacation. We thought maybe we'll bring you guys along for both
I don't know where I'm going.
estate
That's
sales
a
and
good
vacation.
start. With both life and vacationing and estate sales.
Well, that's bright.
Oh wait, I figured it out. Okay.
Wow, that was easy. All right, see what we find.
All the stuff.
It's just dope.
Where'd you get? Where'd you get? Where'd you get?
See it? I got this toothpick. I found it in a bathroom. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna floss with it. Get flossy and bossy. This necklace device, you can attach it and wear it. It's a fashion statement mostly. Comfort second. And this, I'm gonna walk right in, own the place, deliver packages. It's pretty sweet.
UPS man.
Bunch of
Might as well be.
Carhartt stuff. Got this floss and watch.
Wait, you can't show that. Let's forget.
Happy birthday, Christmas, New Year's. You know what else I got? Bushnell. Ah! In the case, $12.50.
Those are binoculars, if you didn't know.
They're the binocs. Bibble for shizzle. I got this Zen. It's by Creative and it's like a little media player. Oh, the phone's coming apart. But this was $2, and I think on Zon I get like 25 to 30 minimals. Let's see. Got some hobby train stuff. This and a transformer.
I don't know what that button was, but I pressed it a few times and it didn't do anything, so hopefully it didn't do anything.
Frightening. Speaking of frightening, look at this. So at first I thought this was like a Winter Hawks released hockey mask, but someone actually did that. So that it's like folk art for hockey collectors.
I think you just made that up.
I did, definitely did. And then over here I have a pile of hockey sticks. 8! I can count. That's a good sign. And some of them are signed. I don't know who the signatures are, but a stick similar to this guy. This one's called Crack Shot. A wooden stick similar to this I sold for like $50.
To the Canadians, eh?
And this is like the lowest
The
end,
Canucks.
lowest quality one, I think.
Is that a derogatory? No, that's like their name of their.
And then, ooh, show this guy. I think this is super sweet. So it's a plate engraving of, it's probably super reflective, right? And there's various like signs and insignias. Dukes, the king.
What is that called?
Coat
of arms?
Coat of arms, yeah, that's right.
Brains. We have them.
Of England.
We have
So
two.
that's a really cool piece of just art and history. It's engraved 1791.
Nice.
And that was $5. I mean, it's a little beat up around the edges, but someone might pay upwards to $150 for that, maybe more. I think that's it.
We made it. It's a video.
Oh, it's a video?
Why?
This is how I do my
Everyone pose.
And there's Santa. We're like, Santa's leaving. Oh no.
with his jingle bells.
So cute.
All this ho ho ho.
Vacation's starting now. Here's our room.
What?
We got a little fireplace
Why?
that hasn't kicked on yet.
Don't film my mugsies. Oh. Here we go. Whoa! You're gonna be a death of me.
Sipping hot cocoa, hot apple cider.
What's in that hot apple Snyder?
Rob Schneider is a cider in this latest release.
Hey everyone, I just got this tattoo. It's pretty sweet. White line on my face. So we're headed to the house to do a buyout of a bunch of hockey memorabilia. Okay, so once we get there, we'll kind of show the room, everything that we're looking to acquire, and then we're gonna...
Luckily, there was a gas station right down the road, and Jake is now filling up the tire. PSA to everyone, if you notice your tire's low, just fill it when you notice it. My savior!
Filled up every tire, right till the quarters ran out.
We gonna make it?
We're safe. We're safe and sound now.
Now, let's just not get killed by all the stuff that's in this car.
True. That's a good fun fact.
What do you have there?
Quantity. There's probably a dozen of these, and just numerous others.
All these posters.